Whoa! What's this? Well, some booze bucket money right there. Gotta put that in the bucket. Well, I guess it's interior day. You young people with your good backs all cocky. Bend with the knees. Yep. Feels good. That stuff you want to be so careful with. It's so brittle. You see a crack here, cracks up there. Man, you just gotta whisper around it. Whew. Good luck finding that piece again if it breaks. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna get a brush for this. I think I'm gonna go get some fine Scotch-Brite, see if it takes some of this stuff off. Mice, they wreck everything. They don't get too much cleaner than that. Time to get this trunk mat put in. So let's get the rear seat installed. The mat's down. Belts are all where they were. I think we're good. Everything's clean. Everything's clean, but the bottom of the seat. Apparently I missed that, probably because it was on the floor. So I'm gonna clean up that real quick. Starting to come together. The seat's going in. First we got the rear seat. Nothing really to it, you just gotta watch out for this because it hits the panel. You want to screw up the panel. Something else hits too, but you should be okay. So as I was saying earlier, my back is junk. And I just happen to have a lift right here where I could put this car up in the air about waist height and not be bending down at all. But why'd I do that? Get this seat installed. Taken out. Moved around. I think we got it. lock screw here. Let's see it. It's a 10 millimeter acorn nut, and I think this is, the cavies are usually a 5 Allen. So this is a flathead. Probably because it's American made, I'm thinking. Bring you in here. You can see it or not, but so to put this in, this is the lock pin to slide it back and forth. So you just gotta, it's locked right there. Wiggle it in, make sure it's not on there, because this is gonna have to go right here. Make sure it's out. Alright, there it is. I had to disconnect this little guy, the adjuster, to get it in, because it just wouldn't want to go in. Usually you just pull them out, they go right in. The adjuster pin. So now watch, I'll be fighting this to get it back in. The hole, and I gotta put the spring back on. Let's see. So seat's in. Should slide. It will slide. Gotta put this inside this stopper. So you know you'll slide the seat back and it just flies off the rail. That would be no good. Rough. This thing is just slide nice. There we go.